Aircraft maintenance engineering is one of the most important branches of engineering field around the world. Operating costs involving the value of billions of dollars makes this field has its own significance. The question of international standards and safety is a priority without any compromise. Aircraft are complex machines and need to be properly maintained. Pre-flight inspections will include routine checks, plus checking any non-essential faults. Similarly, post-flight inspection will include regular checks and maintenance, as well as anything reported by the crew. The affordability of air travel has led to a significant growth in the air carrier industry, creating a huge demand for aircraft maintenance staff. At the same time, aircraft maintenance industry is also closely related to the individual discipline itself. The ability of working efficiently is important because any time used is direct proportional to the cost of operations. And when a task could not be completed on time, there will be a huge surplus operating cost loss.
Basically, aircraft maintenance involve maintenance, repair and overhaul of an aircraft. Okay, this industry requires high discipline personnel to ensure that all aircraft are fit or serviceable to fly.
Without the expert staff, most of the company's operations, public and commercial airlines around the world will be paralyzed and eventually cause the invaluable loss amount. Passengers will probably be late arrival to the destination of their own and merchandise not up in a timely manner. In addition to this, during an aircraft's lifespan, it will undergo numerous scheduled checks at various flight hour intervals depending upon requirements, which could be anything from simple maintenance of a light aircraft to major overhaul of an airliner.
Aircraft maintenance involves various activities such as repair, modification, overhaul, and also component repair on structures.
Test aircraft communication equipment, instruments, and electronic systems, and conduct routine pre-flight inspections. Aircraft maintenance engineers are responsible for the maintenance and repair of the airframe, engines, and instrumentation in an aircraft and ensuring continuing airworthiness of the aircraft. As soon as the plane landed, the aircraft maintenance engineering team will play a role in taking over the business of examining transit. All aircraft, with the exception of ultralights, must have a valid certificate of airworthiness to fly.
Ensure and to plan the scheduled and unscheduled maintenance activity being carried out as per approved maintenance data, such as maintenance manual, FPC, and must be approved by Department of Safety.
An aircraft maintenance engineer's task is also to ensure that the aircraft in their charge obtain these certificates via a series of detailed inspections and repairs. These range from routine inspections to emergency repairs to an aircraft waiting to take off. In view of the fact that aircraft maintenance engineering professionals must have good technical, scientific, mathematical, and inventive minds. They must demonstrate patience, motivation, determination, perseverance, and strong problem-solving skills. Apart from that, they must be excellent communicators and team players, since aircraft maintenance requires the work of a number of people working together. There are 3 rules in the aviation industry: safety, safety, and safety. Due to the extreme safety measures enforced for aircraft maintenance engineering professionals must continually ensure aircrafts are properly maintained, and any carelessness or mistakes could result in fatal accidents during flights.
Once you are graduated from any training school or training organization, you will be awarded or issued an LWTR license, which means lesson without type rating. Okay. For these engineers, they're required to collect as many as they can working experience in the MRO companies such as Malaysia Airlines, SAE Aerospace, and other MRO companies. Besides getting your type rating, you also can be offered to become the head of engineering or head of aircraft services, which not only covering in Malaysia, but also other countries such as in Singapore or in UAE.
No aircraft anywhere leaves the ground without being checked by an engineer. Being an aircraft maintenance engineering team means working on the most exciting and advanced technology in the world. The aircraft maintenance industry is a growing industry with the right foundation. Future aircraft maintenance engineering graduates will be open to endless of opportunities.